Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. Today we have our 2003 Honda GL 1800 Goldwing. This one owner, beautiful metallic orange Goldwing, just arrived with only 37,000 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got a nice air comfort seat, AM FM stereo, very low miles. Got the back luggage rack. Just checked out in our service department. Everything works beautifully on this. $69.99 price to sell, $69.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Runs beautifully. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.